how to turn off notifications on eBay. Hello, everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to do so, you may follow up these steps. So, one of the steps is you can head over to the eBay application, open it up on your device, and go over and use the app settings. For that, look out for My eBay option, and from here, scroll down from the given options and look out for the option called Settings and open up the settings of eBay. After that, find the option called Notifications and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you will be finding the notifications. So you can just go ahead and customize your notifications here. So if you do not want audio updates, you can just go ahead and check this like this. Similarly for other updates as well, shopping updates regarding that. And we have this option of selling notifications. If you do not want selling notifications, you can just go ahead and turn it off by simply tapping on it and unchecking it. You may just head over and follow up the steps for all of those. And if you do not want any push notifications, we have this toggle option right beside push notifications. You can turn it off by tapping on it. And there we go. This is how you do it. Apart from that, what you can do is you can head over to eBay application, long press on it, go to the info section at the top, and then from there, head over, go to notifications, and just basically simply turn it off by tapping on the toggle option right beside it. And that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to turn off your notifications for eBay, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.